What's going on, folks? Jake here. I wanted to share a quick model that I made. I designed and 3D printed a little charging base for my phone and watch. And I made these little cable clips. And then I have on the bottom some weights and these little rubber feet that I put on there to give it a good solid feel and so it doesn't move around a lot when it's on my desk at work. So basically you've just got the Magsafe Charger for the phone and the magnetic charger for the Apple Watch on here, and I just pressed them in to this 3D model, and you can see the 3D model right here. I designed it in SolidWorks. I put a small relief cut extrusion in the middle in case I needed to use some double-sided tape, just in case the fit wasn't tight enough to keep the Magsafe charger and the watch charger in the print when I picked my phone up. That's part of the reason I put the weights in there, so when I pick my phone up, charger and everything doesn't come with it. But the phone and the watch charger fit in there nice and snug, so I didn't need to use any double-sided tape. However, they are very snug, so I had to kind of press fit it in. I'm not sure how I'm going to get it back out, but I have another one that I use for home, so I don't imagine I'll have to pull it out anytime soon. But here is the charger. I'm going to upload this to Thingiverse along with the little cable clips that I have on here to keep it nice and tidy, so you can download it and print them out yourself. The cable ties or clips will only fit on the official Apple chargers for them. But I've noticed that all the third-party cables I've got are much thicker than the actual Apple cables, which I don't really like because they're a lot stiffer. The Apple cables are nice and flexible. I'll put links to both of these chargers and the wall charger that I got to host both of the USB-C plugs. This is going on Thingiverse. If you want to download it and use it, please do. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share. Just a quick video about this little charger dock that I made with the rubber feet and the weights so it doesn't move anywhere. Super convenient. I just wanted to leave this be able to leave something at work so I could set my phone down or my watch down, because a lot of times I'll charge my watch in the middle of the day while I'm working from home because I'm at my desk, I'm not moving around a lot, there isn't a lot to log, and I don't like to charge it overnight because I like it to track my sleep. But anyway, be sure to do something nice for someone today, and I will see you next time. Peace.